Shalom, back with part two, news and prophecy, okay, various topics. Let us continue. And as you can see, these articles are all fact checked, okay, by the People's Voice community, all right. And you see this is June 6, 2024, all right. So let's move on. Let's come out of this, all right. Let's see what else is going on here. FBI sickening child rape videos on Hunter Biden's laptop are real. Yeah, well, everybody's been know that. All right. Let's see. The WHO warns bird flu outbreak means government must cancel upcoming elections. You see that, people? And you're hearing that? Again, right now, that stands as a rumor, right? But again, if they do, that's probably one of the excuses they'll use, or they'll use another one, like maybe you're in World War III, okay, with the war against Russia going on and what's going on in the Middle East. You understand? So they'll find some excuse if, there are no elections. And anyway, why would you even care? Okay? They're simply what? Republican, Democrats, they're simply two wings of the same bird. You understand? Controlled by the elites, by the bankers, people. And again, voting for the lesser of two evils is still evil, if you people haven't figured that out. Anyway, let's continue here. All right, checking this stuff out. Look at this one. Global elite declares war on dangerous anti-vaxxers who must be stripped of human rights. Yeah, that's an interesting article with Fauci testifying in front of Congress. And by the way, he was caught lying. All right, to Congress. Okay, and told that obviously he's going to wind up going to prison for crimes against humanity. Okay? So that's interesting because, again, people, they were telling people, that they needed to get juiced up or whatever the case is. And, you can see what has happened, what has taken place. All the stuff is out there for you now. Okay? So, you know what I'm talking about, all right? There are a lot of deaths that have gone on, okay? And will continue to happen. All right. Okay? And all we're doing is reading here the articles, okay? We're not giving any kind of misinformation, okay? So, and again, these people, again, what does it say in the scriptures? All right? Give me a minute here. This is Psalm 73 and 5. You see what it says here? They are not in trouble as other men, these elites. You see that? Neither are they plagued like other men. Let's read the NLT. They don't have troubles like other people. They're not plagued with problems like everyone else. You see that? They're able to circumvent the laws. And again, they do that, and you see that, whether it's the UN, right, was created to stop wars. But as you can see, no. All right, they don't do that. Okay? Do you understand? They've issued sanctions on the ICC for issuing the arrest warrants for Netanyahu and his cabinet. Okay? And the United States has issued, sanctions upon them, upon the ICC. Okay? So you see, they write the laws, right? But then when it points to them, then, we'll put sanctions on you or this or that, whatever the case is. In other words, that they're supposed to have immunity, and they're the only ones, that these Edomites are supposed to have immunity, but not to the rest of the world. Okay? To the rest of the world, no, you're all criminals or you're all terrorists. When in fact, it's America that illegally invades nations to steal the wealth, lands, resources, and killing innocent people. Okay? And you people already know who that house thief is, right? St. John 10:10. House thief cometh but to steal, kill, destroy. Rape, rob, commit murder, genocide. You all know who the devil is. All right? He's been made bare. All right? Right before your eyes. Okay? And you see what it says here in verse 6? Therefore pride compasseth them. You see that? They're full of pride. And again, the Lord hates pride. About as a chain. Violence covereth them as a garment. You see that? They wear pride like a jewel necklace and clothe themselves with cruelty. You see that? You understand? Verse 8, they are corrupt and speak wickedly concerning oppression, and they speak lawfully, pridefully. That's what lofty means. They scoff and speak only evil in their pride, and they seek to crush others. You see that? And again, their world is coming to an end. And like I says, they have a problem controlling the narrative. Okay? They're losing the narrative. Okay? They're losing that war. All right? As well as losing the war in Russia, as well as Israel is losing the war in the Middle East. Okay? You understand that? And you know why, people? Because we're at the end of their evil, wicked reign here on the earth. All right? Yahweh Shai is getting ready to come back. Okay? Anyway, you know what? We'll end this here and we'll be right back with parts 3 and 4. Shalom.